Hey, welcome back. Meet Noah, 27, side hustle grinder. He pays on time and still feels stuck. Because credit isn't about being good. It's about rules nobody taught Noah. Here are 7 credit score traps keeping Noah pinned down, even when he pays on time. Trap 1, utilization spikes. One big balance can tank you, fast. Even if you pay on time, a high snapshot can hurt until the next cycle. Quick rule, keep your usage low. The meter hates sudden spikes. And pay before it reports. One early payment can flip the snapshot. Trap 2, confusing the due date with the closing date. Not the same. Paying on the due date can still leave a high balance on the closing snapshot. Noah started paying mid-cycle, so the snapshot catches a lower balance. Closing comes first, then due. Learn that timeline and you stop bleeding points. Trap 3, a one-day late. It's tiny, but it can echo for months. Because credit rewards consistency, not apologies, not explanations. Noah's fix, auto pay on, plus a backup reminder. 0 chances for slips. Treat every due date like a flight time. Miss it once, and it follows you. Trap 4, applying everywhere. Those hard checks stack up quickly. It's not one bad move, it's repeated panic that scares the system. Noah plans applications in a tight window instead of random late-night clicks. Rule, plan, apply once, stop. Every extra try makes you look desperate. Trap 5, closing old accounts to clean up. You can delete your history. Sometimes the best move is keeping an old line alive, quietly. Noah uses the old card for one small thing, then pays it off immediately. Age matters. Long history plus clean behavior beats starting over every time. Trap 6, your credit limit drops. Same spending, worse utilization overnight. It feels unfair, but the score only sees ratios, not your feelings. Noah spreads spending across accounts so one card doesn't look maxed out. Then he pays balances down fast. Back to green, back to breathing room. Trap 7, minimum payments. They don't free you, they extend the story. Noah's rule now, a fixed extra payment every month, no negotiation. The goal is principle, not surviving. Extra dollars kill the debt faster. Minimum is the floor. If you stay on the floor, you never climb. Recap, utilization spikes, date confusion, one day late, inquiry pileups, killing history, limit drops, and minimum loops. If you fix just 2 of these, Noah's score starts moving within a couple cycles. Noah didn't get rich overnight. He just stopped stepping on the same traps. You've been watching Wealth Crash and Rise. We don't glamorize the win, we break down the wipeout. Comment "stuck" if this is you, or "free" if you fixed it. I'll pin the smartest system.